Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for spare parts for your vacuum cleaner? Well, Easy Spares is the best. I found these and I have used them all the time for almost 3 years. And they look really good. My favorite thing to do is use this one for DIY projects. And this one is my most favorite, the square one, because it comes off. I vacuum so many things with this one. This fits really great on my 1¼ inch hose, so it won't come off. Don't worry about that at all. I like to use it when I'm vacuuming dog hair, especially the one that has this right here for the stairs. It's really good. And if you have any doubt, don't even think about it. You will love these. They are going to help you with your cleaning and they'll last a long time, just like mine. I love them, I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.